unbox the new Minions Happy Meal from McDonald's.
The first one we're going to open is the Minion Vampire.
The next one we're going to open is called the Egyptian Hula Minion.
Next, we're going to open the Guard Minion. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Next, we are going to open the minion called Lava Shooting Kevin.
This one's called the Minion Caveman. Banana, banana, na, 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 na.
This one here is called a Guitar Strumming Steward.
Next, I'm going to open Chatting Bob.
Next, the Martial Arts Minion.
Yeah! Yeah! Now I'm going to open Movie Steward.
The last minion is called the Marching Minion Soldier. Collect all 10 minions available at McDonald's starting Friday, June 26th. One with every Happy Meal you buy. Hurry before they all disappear.
Banana, banana, banana.